Time flies, and if you're not careful, your 20s, 30s, or 40s can slip by before you've made the right financial moves. So what are these essential financial decisions? From building your emergency fund to investing for long-term wealth, today we're breaking down the 10 money moves you need to make before you hit 30, 35, or 40. But before we jump into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on securing your financial future. Let's start from number 10. Build an emergency fund early. Why wait for a crisis to start saving? When you're young, it's easy to feel invincible, thinking that emergencies won't affect you. Building an emergency fund is one of the most crucial financial moves you can make. In your 20s, your goal should be to save at least $1,000 to cover unexpected expenses. By your 30s, aim to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. This gives you peace of mind knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. In your 40s, the emergency fund should be large enough to help sustain your lifestyle in case of a job loss or medical crisis. Number 9. Start investing as soon as possible. What if your money could work for you? Have you ever heard the phrase, make your money work for you? Well, that's exactly what investing allows you to do. There are several ways to start investing, and you don't need a huge amount of money to begin. In your 20s, consider opening a brokerage account, investing in low-cost index funds, or contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. By your 30s, you should be actively investing a significant portion of your income into stocks, bonds, and real estate. By your 40s, if you haven't started yet, it's time to catch up. Investing consistently for the long term helps you accumulate wealth over time. Remember, the earlier you start, the more money you'll have in the future. Number 8. Pay off high-interest debt. Is your debt holding you back? High-interest debt, particularly credit card debt, is one of the most dangerous things for your financial health. If you're in your 20s and carrying high-interest debt, it's essential to focus on paying it off as quickly as possible. Start by making extra payments towards high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, to minimize interest charges. By your 30s, aim to have your high-interest debts fully paid off. This will free up more of your income for savings and investments, setting you up for future success. By the time you're in your 40s, carrying high-interest debt will feel like a major obstacle in your path to financial freedom. Paying it off as soon as possible will allow you to redirect those funds into more profitable ventures, like investments or retirement savings. Number 7. Establish a budget and stick to it. Do you know where your money goes each month? Do you find yourself wondering where all your money went at the end of the month? If so, it's time to create a budget. In your 20s, keeping track of where your money goes is essential. Start by tracking your expenses for a month and categorizing them. This will give you a clear picture of where you're spending. As you approach your 30s, your budget will need to evolve as your expenses increase, like rent or family expenses. You might also want to consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to keep track of your spending more effectively. By your 40s, it's important to have a more refined and strategic budget in place to meet your long-term goals, such as saving for retirement, buying a home, or paying for your children's education. Number 6. Build and maintain a good credit score. Could your credit score be limiting your opportunities? Your credit score plays a pivotal role in your financial life. If you're in your 20s, start building your credit by applying for a credit card and making small purchases that you pay off every month. This helps you develop a history of responsible credit use, which will boost your credit score over time. By your 30s, you should have a solid credit score, 700 or higher, that allows you to get the best terms on loans, mortgages, and car purchases. At this stage, it's also important to keep an eye on your credit reports regularly to correct any errors or signs of identity theft. In your 40s, maintaining a high credit score is crucial for major financial moves such as buying property or refinancing your mortgage. The higher your credit score, the more money you save in interest over the life of your loan, which is a huge advantage. Number 5. Diversify your income streams. Relying on one income source might not be enough. In today's economy, relying solely on a single income stream is risky. Diversifying your income not only gives you more financial security. In your 20s, side hustles are a great way to earn extra cash. By your 30s, consider passive income streams like investing in rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. These types of investments allow your money to work for you, generating income without requiring much effort on your part. By the time you're in your 40s, having multiple income streams is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. With the right strategy, you can build wealth through investments, side businesses, or even by monetizing your hobbies. Number 4. Save for retirement early. Are you prepared for life after work? Saving for retirement might seem like something you can push off until later, but the earlier you start, the better. If you're in your 20s, start contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA. If your employer offers a match on contributions, take full advantage of it. By your 30s, you should aim to contribute 15% of your income towards retirement. At this point, you can begin to increase your contributions to ensure you're on track to retire comfortably. Remember, the more you save early on, the more you benefit from compound interest. By your 40s, it's time to get serious about retirement planning. If you haven't already, you'll want to maximize your contributions and make sure you're on track to reach your retirement goals. Number 3. Invest in your education and skills. Could upgrading your skills lead to better opportunities? While saving and investing are essential, investing in yourself is one of the best financial decisions you can make. In your 20s, you should prioritize learning and acquiring new skills that will make you more valuable in the job market. In your 30s, consider continuing education in the form of specialized certifications or training that align with your career goals. This will help you stay competitive in an ever-changing job market and boost your earning potential. By your 40s, it's time to leverage your experience and education to make strategic career moves. Whether that's transitioning into a higher-paying field or starting a business, investing in your skills throughout your career will lead to long-term financial rewards. Number 2. Protect yourself with insurance. What would happen if the unexpected occurred? While we can't predict the future, we can prepare for it by ensuring we're protected. In your 20s, health insurance is vital, especially if you're just starting out in your career. Having coverage prevents you from facing financial ruin due to unexpected medical expenses. By your 30s, you should consider additional insurance policies such as life and disability insurance. These policies help protect your family and income in case of unexpected events. In your 40s, life insurance becomes even more critical, particularly if you have dependents or a mortgage. It ensures that your family won't be burdened with financial hardship if something were to happen to you. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. Do you have a roadmap for your financial future? Setting clear, achievable financial goals is one of the most important moves you can make in any stage of life. In your 20s, focus on short-term goals like building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a down payment on a house. In your 30s, it's time to set long-term goals like funding retirement, buying a home, or starting a business. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, and time-bound. These goals provide direction and help you stay motivated. By your 40s, you should review your financial goals and adjust them as necessary. It's crucial to have a clear roadmap for the next phase of your life, whether that's early retirement, funding your children's education, or building wealth for future generations. So which of these money moves will you start making today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving strategies and tips for financial success.